There's somebody behind me. It's been revving and stuff. Revving his engine behind me. I guess he wants some attention. Oh, it's burning the asshole. Sitting there parked behind me. With all of his shit on his dash. He's still revving. And if asked why he's doing this, he'll say, because there's nowhere else. So, Bernie's a part of it. You have to. By now you know somebody has bashed the window out of the back of my car.
Listen, Miss Gang Stalker, you're the biggest gang stalker of all.
You know somebody bashed the window out of the back of my car, right?
No.
And you're sitting there revving your fucking engine behind my car.
Somebody bashed your window?
Yeah.
I thought it was just leaking.
No, the window never leaked until somebody bashed it out.
I'm sorry.
And I know the group of people that did it.
You're recording this conversation, aren't you?
Yeah.
Of course you are. You're going to put it on YouTube, aren't you? Of course you are.
Well,
Crazy. It's crazy.
I would wonder why you would want to park behind me and rev your engine.
Because I have to put some electrons in the battery. I just put a new battery in there. I ran the damn battery down. I'm not revving the engine. I'm bringing it up trying to 1500 RPM. 1500 RPM is even louder than that. Okay? That's a new battery.
Well,
and
good for you.
I am not going to run it down by moving it around for 5 minutes. I've been told you got to run the engine longer.
And that's the only place that you could park is behind me.
No, I can go over there and park by a couple of shitheads who are a fucking half a block long fucking slum over there. I can go over there.
Shitheads are a dime a dozen. It's Boise.
Yeah, well, you know what? You don't get
and you don't have a mask on.
You don't get
in
to
the fucking
mask or being burned.
By a bunch. Those are the people that bashed my fucking window out, you dumbass.
I'm sorry about your window.
You fucking asshole.
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
people are such assholes.
Yes, you sure are.
These people are pieces of shit. God. Unfucking believable, these people. But Bernie does this shit all the time. He parks behind me and does that, and then he says, oh, it's the only place I can park. There's lots of places he could park. He sits there revving his fucking engine, telling me the battery's new. It's not.
Okay, look, I want to apologize.
You need to get the fuck away from me. You're bullshit. I'm sick of it. Telling me you drink piss and then calling me crazy.
Amazon.com, check it out.
They're selling piss on Amazon. Oh, yeah, I believe that.
They're selling books about it.
Yeah, they sell all kinds of crazy shit. Now go.
I apologize. I apologize for retaliating, saying nasty things. Okay? I apologize. I'm trying to stop this. You're a challenge for me.
Well, I'm sorry that I have
No, it's no.
that I'm not crazy, I'm not on drugs, and that I'm intelligent. I'm sorry that that's a problem for you. Now stay the fuck away from me.
I'm intelligent too, but I'm also an asshole, and I apologize for being an asshole.
That's not going to change. You've been an asshole for a long time.
Yes, it is going to change too.
Yeah, you've said that before. Now just stay, and now at this point, just stay the fuck away from me.
Okay?
Don't park on my ass and rev your goddamn engine to harass me.
Of course. You think everybody's harassing me?
No, I don't think everybody is. No, I don't.
With all due respect.
Get the fuck away! Get the fuck away! Get the fuck away! Get the fuck away! It's a new song that I'm writing.
It's going to be a big hit.
Well, I've written several other songs too. People in Boise are assholes. 24/7, they're assholes. Dickheads in the park, exchanging glances. Dickheads in the park, exchanging pantses. Dickheads in the park will be high on meth before the night is through. No, I know why they broke my glass. You need to get the fuck away from my car.
The next time you drive your car, you can move up in front of that other guy. Or he'll be gone and you can take his place. There'll be more distance between you.
If you could behave and just park instead of doing the harassment crap, that would be fine.
I'm not doing any harassment crap.
You're doing it right now. I've asked you to leave me alone and you're not.
Well, that's because you can't get off it in a reasonable amount of time, and we could have a conversation.
I don't want to have a conversation with you.
Okay.
I've made it clear.